breaking people's freedoms in ways that are horrible and wrong, and not why people came to America or built this country. What the
Yeah. Hey credit warriors, well that was Elon Musk on yesterday's explosive Tesla earnings call. You know, Elon Musk is a great guy and he has some awesome ideas. Like he wants to nuke Mars to warm it up. He creates a crazy looking truck and then a pair of crazy looking shoes to go along with it. And he even adds subtle pot references to tweets about his company. I mean, I'm told that 420 thing was a marijuana reference, but to be honest, either I'm old or from a different planet because it went completely over my head.
These people are completely literal. Metaphors are gonna go over his head.
Nothing goes over my head. My reflexes are too fast.
Anyway, let's get into talking about Tesla earnings. Now, I have a small position in Tesla, 4 shares at a cost basis of $250 each, so that's $1,000 that I've spent on Tesla stock. Now, yesterday, even as the earnings call was just getting underway, the stock already exploded with more gains added after hours, and this morning when I opened my account, I saw this. My $1,000 worth of Tesla stock had netted me $2,400 in profit, or a 240% gain. Now, this isn't the first time that this has happened. Tesla stock has been up and down like a yo-yo in the past, and I've bought in and out several times, making quite a nice profit each time. But ever since the company became profitable most quarters, I've kind of felt that it's time to hold. And that's exactly why the stock exploded yesterday, because they actually made a profit in quarter 1 of 2020, despite all the doom and gloom out there at the moment. Analysts expected a loss of 36 cents per share, but the company actually made a profit of $1.24 per share, which is a total profit for the quarter of $16 million on revenue of $5.99 billion, which was also higher than analysts expected. Now, Musk was pretty optimistic on the earnings call yesterday. He was talking about the fact that they're still getting orders despite lockdowns in most countries. To be honest, you can buy a Tesla on your phone in 90 seconds, according to Elon. So maybe some people are impulse buying Teslas when they're bored at home. Musk still believes he can hit 40 to 50% annual growth goals in vehicle production, so that would be 4 million vehicles per year by the year 2025 and 20 million by the year 2030. He says that the next Gigafactory will be announced within the next 3 months, and this will be in the US, where they're going to be building the Cybertruck. You know, that vehicle that you have to order if you're a YouTuber.
I ordered one. Well, I put down my $100 refundable deposit that holds my place in line.
I decided to reserve a spot to order the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck in 2021.
I am going to put a deposit, so...
You just got 100 on it.
I have succumbed, and I decided to go ahead and order the Tesla Cybertruck. Musk also talked about his target to install 1,000 solar roofs per week in the near future, but he said that installation is currently halted because the office to get the permits for it is closed. The company's car plant in Fremont, California is also closed due to a shelter-in-place order in that state. And this is where it really gets fun, because Musk does not like government overreach, and he complains about it. Well, just listen.
forcibly imprisoning people in their homes against all their constitutional rights. That's, in my opinion, breaking people's freedoms in ways that are horrible and wrong, and not why people came to America or built this country. What the fuck? Excuse me.
And he does have a point, particularly about smaller suppliers that Tesla buys components from.
While Tesla will weather the storm, there are many small companies that will not. Everything people have worked for their whole life is being destroyed in real time. And we're going to have many suppliers, and are having many suppliers that are having super hard times, especially the small ones. It's causing a lot of strife to a lot of people.
Now, I think this may have been planned as a publicity stunt to catch the attention of California lawmakers, because an analyst goes on to ask Musk, have you got a message for US lawmakers?
You know, this is a time to think about the future, and also to ask, is it right to infringe upon people's rights, as what is happening right now? I think the people are going to be very angry about this, and are very angry. If somebody wants to stay in their house, that's great. They should be allowed to stay in their house, and they should not be compelled to leave. But to say that they cannot leave their house, and they will be arrested if they do, this is fascist. This is not democratic. This is not freedom. Give people back their goddamn freedom.
Give people back their goddamn freedom. America. I must admit, I agree with him, and I'm going to be interested to see how many states get sued over infringement of individual rights and economic impact once this is all over. Anyway, guys, if you're a Tesla investor, congratulations on the money you have made. If you're thinking about getting into Tesla stock or any other kind of investing, I can recommend the stock trading app Webull. It's a great way to start and also a great platform to try out for people who've already used platforms such as Robinhood, for example. We have a deal where you can get 2 free stocks just by opening and funding your account. Link is below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.